Hello friends, welcome back to my tutorial series. In this tutorial, I am going to discuss about how to create a IAM user in IAM dashboard of AWS. So in the previous tutorials, I have shown you how to install Python libraries for this project, and also I have explained you what kind of tools you require and how to install them in the previous tutorials. So now in this tutorial, I'll be focusing on how to create IAM user in AWS dashboards. So without any delay, let's get started. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Madhu Parvatneni. I will be your instructor in this tutorial. Now what we have to do is we have to open a browser and then we have to log into aws.amazon.com. So let us do that. So I have opened it aws.amazon.com. Now I will be logging in with my credentials by clicking on sign in. You should always create an account, and AWS is providing 1 year free trial account. So probably you can also create it if you don't have any. So let me click on sign in, and here let me enter my email ID of my organization. So which is makeskill at gmail.com. Let me click on next, and here we have to enter the password. So let us enter the password. Let me click on sign in. Immediately it will be signed in. Once it is signed in, we can access the IAM dashboard. Now we are inside AWS management console. We are inside AWS now. It is now logged in with my account. And now over here, what we have to do in this tutorial, we are focusing on IAM, right? So we have to search for it in the search box. So you have to search for IAM. So when you search for IAM, immediately you'll be coming across a service called IAM. IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. If you want to access any services, we have to create one security token. So that will be created by using IAM. So now we have to click on the service, then immediately IAM dashboard will open. So like this, you have to open IAM dashboard. Once it is open, what you can do, you can create a user. Now here, let us create a user. So we have to, this is the IAM dashboard. Now here, what we have to do, on the left side, there is a console. Now we have to click on users. So whenever you click on users, immediately users page will open. Now here we can create a user. So I'll create a temporary user. I'll be deleting this user after this tutorial series. But now let me create a add user. So here you'll have a blue color button. So we have to click on add users. So whenever you click on add users, immediately what happens? It will open a page where you need to enter your username. So here we have to provide some unique username, no spaces. You can write anything here. I will be writing something like, face RECOG, which is a recognition. I can provide any username. Okay. So, or you can write simply Maddie also. Okay, whatever it is. And the most important thing what people miss here is people select AWS management console access, but here we have to select access key programmatic access, because through program we have to access the AWS resources. That is why we have to select programmatic access at any cost. Okay, so this is optional. Okay, so though you select or not, that is not so much important for us, but the most important thing is we have to select programmatic access at any cost. Now we have to click on next, so that it goes to the next page. And here, this is a most important step, and here we have to understand what policy can be given to this user, what services can be accessed by using this user. So here let us click on attach existing policies. So here you could able to see 700 plus policies are there in this attach existing policies directly, but we have to select REKOG, which is recognition. Okay, so recognition is a service which is important for us because the project is face recognition using AWS. Since the project is face recognition using AWS, we have to select recognition, because face recognition is using recognition API of AWS, that I will explain in the next tutorials at any cost. But now let us select recognition. So now we have to select this checkbox. What checkbox we have to select? Just keep this in your mind. So we have to select Amazon recognition full access. Okay, so it indirectly means that we are giving a full access to this user to have access Amazon Recognition. So what is Amazon Recognition? Amazon Recognition is a service in AWS which can able to analyze images, analyze faces, understand what objects are there in the images. Okay, all that can be done by using Amazon Recognition full access. Let us click on next tags and let us click on next review and let us click on create user. That's it. So that user is created. So once user is created, what happens here? Access key ID and secret access key are generated. So let me click on download CSV. Always you have to download CSV files because secret access key you cannot retrieve it again. So that is why always you have to download it. So let me click on download CSV so that credentials are downloaded. Let me open it. So now credentials are opened. Okay, so you could able to, I will be showing you what is my access key and this is my secret key. These are my temporary credentials. Anyways, later I'll delete it. Okay, because I'm just opening I'm revealing all the security tokens, right? So I'll be deleting it after the video tutorial series, but as of now this is my access key and secret key. Okay, so access key and secret keys are there. I will be using this access key and secret key to access AWS resources. What permission I've given? I've given a permission for recognition service only. Okay, so that's it in this tutorial. We'll meet you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep doing and keep learning things. Okay, bye. Take care.